Hi friends. Welcome to my kitchen. 500 grams, 1.1 pounds, potatoes.
Waking up to my heartbeats, accompanied by the rain. The soreness in my
Potatoes are very healthy. They contain potassium, vitamin C, fiber, and support the cardiovascular system and digestion.
As soon as I get started, I'll send you an SOS.
I'm very curious what city you're watching my video from.
Business. Give me some time to breathe. Give me some time to speak. Cause I know the truth inside. And I promise you this time, no bravado. No more strange, stupid games, just one motto. No more pain, all in vain. Let your guard down. Call my name when you need a friend. No bravado, no bravado.
Add the potatoes to the pot.
Standing out in the crossroads, trying to
Fill
figure
with
out
water.
where to go. You're left without warning, and now you're ignoring.
Salt, boil until fully cooked.
So what about us? What about all we had? Just send me an SOS. I'll run to you faster than lightning. Give me some time to breathe. Give me some time to speak. Cause I know the truth inside.
1 pork tenderloin, about 600 grams or 1.3 pounds.
No more strange, stupid games, just one motto. No more pain, all in vain. Let your guard.
This recipe is incomparable. I highly recommend trying it.
Need a friend, no bravado, no bravado.
Salt.
No more strange, stupid games, just one motto. No more pain, all in vain. Let your guard down. Call my name when you need a friend. No bravado, no bravado.
Black pepper. Vegetable oil.
This is as good a day as any to start the rebuilding of life. The roads that lay open are many, and the old ones gone under the night. And I can
Fry the medallions for about 2 minutes on each side until they are golden brown.
unlock it.
200 grams of mushrooms, 7 ounces.
Today and not tomorrow, there's no time.
Mushrooms, rich in antioxidants, vitamins D and B, boost immunity and reduce inflammation.
This morning has a clearer light as any. To see the horizon and the sun. As usual, we're too fortunate.
Subscribe to the channel. Here, you will always find delicious recipes. Thank you for the comment, like, and subscription.
It's a good day today and not tomorrow. There's no time to borrow today. Well, something's gotta give today. It's a good day today.
Remove and keep warm. "50 grams butter. It's about 3.5 teaspoons butter.
Today and not tomorrow. There's no time to borrow.
Then add the mushrooms and sauté for 5 minutes until lightly brown.
It's a good day today and not tomorrow. There's no time to borrow today. Well, something's
1 onion.
gotta give today. It's a good day today.
Onions contain antioxidants and sulfur compounds, improve metabolism and support heart health.
Searching for something that ain't lost. Have we got our lines crossed? We're wasting time with stuff that doesn't really matter. While wishing for something better, I try to fix things that weren't broken.
Add onions to the mushrooms.
And words unspoken, we fall apart, and I won't dare to say, do you feel the same way? Maybe you don't wanna know, but you don't see what you have in front of you. Or maybe I'm
2
not
garlic
enough
cloves.
for you. So maybe I should go. If I had known from the start, this wouldn't have ended with broken hearts. 'Cause I don't wanna waste my time. If we don't feel the same way.
Garlic, a natural antibiotic, strengthens immunity, lowers blood pressure and cholesterol levels.
Don't string me along the way you do. Just let me get over you. Maybe you don't wanna know, but you don't see what you have in front of you. Or maybe I'm not enough for you. So maybe
Add garlic to the mushrooms.
from the start, this wouldn't have ended with broken hearts. 'Cause I don't wanna waste my time. No. I don't wanna waste my time. No. Maybe you don't wanna know. You don't see what you have in front of you. Or maybe I'm not enough for you. So maybe I should
100 milliliters, about 1/3 cup, vegetable or chicken stock.
'Cause I don't wanna waste my time. No.
1 teaspoon mustard, paprika powder sweet.
Waking up to my heartbeat, accompanied by the rain.
200 milliliters, about 3/4 cup, cream.
This room is still uncharted, but as soon as I get started, I'll send you an SOS. I'll wave like it's nobody's business.
Mix everything well and simmer over medium heat for about 5 minutes until the sauce thickens slightly.
Cause I know the truth inside, and I promise you this time no bravado, no more strange stupid games, just one my
Salt and black pepper.
no more pain, all in vain. Let your guard down, call my name when you need a friend. No bravado, no bravado.
50 grams, 3.5 tablespoons, of Parmesan.
Standing out in the crossroads, trying to make out where to go. You're left without warning, and now you're ignoring me. So what about us? What about all we
Place the medallions back in the pan and let them simmer in the sauce for about 3 minutes until they are cooked but still nice and juicy.
Give me some time to breathe, give me some time to speak, cause I know the truth inside, and I promise you this time no bravado, no more strange stupid games, just one motto, no more pain, all in vain. Let your guard down, call my
Dill.
name when you need a friend. No bravado, no bravado.
Dill improves digestion and has a mild sedative effect. Add dill to the meat. Tomatoes. Tomatoes, high in lycopene and vitamin C, boost immunity, protect the heart, and reduce inflammation. 50 grams, 3.5 tablespoons, of cheese.
This is as good a day as any.
150 grams, 5.3 ounces, of canned beans.
The roads that lay
Add dill.
are many. When the old one's gone under the knife. And I
Salt.
can feel the sun on my skin.
1 tablespoon of mayonnaise.
Beginning to thaw from within. Today and not tomorrow. There's no time to buy.
Mash the potatoes with a regular masher.
Today is a good day to live. This morning has a clearer light as
50 grams, 3.5 tablespoons, butter and some milk.
Rising in the fire. Excuses were 2 for a penny, but they've all gone out the window of this car. And when I feel the wind on my face,
Excellent result. Delicious.
All that ever was is a wreck.
Let me know in the comments if you liked the recipe.
Today and not tomorrow. There's no time to borrow. Today,
This will be a very tasty dish.
today is a good day. Today and not tomorrow. There's no time to borrow. Today, well, something's gotta give. Today is a good day to me.
Thanks for watching and see you in the next video. Enjoy your meal.